That's the
Get 'em
other part.
outside,
Want to
yeah.
save your back? Yeah, give them some chores. It builds character.
Yeah.
Outside right now, it's a beautiful day to be raking some of those leaves that are falling on our fall. Some beautiful November weather continues. Let's take a live look around town at the deep blue bonnet skies. I'll tell you, look at Morgan's Wonderland Camp. Just that rich blue. So, you know, we talk about needing rain. And you know what we need first is a cloud. I mean, we're just completely cloud free. Air quality is good. We are at level yellow. I just looked at that. Over Calaveras Lake, you can really appreciate that deep blue. Into downtown, you'll always see just a little bit of that haze from the urban heat island. 80 out at Randolph, 82 though at Seguin, Stockdale, Floresville, even down to Pleasanton, 81 at Castroville. We've got 78 in the city along with Helotes and Timberwood Park, 80 down at Beeville, 79 out west at Uvalde, 82 on the Rio Grande. The warmest spot is 84, and that's just not bad at all, right, at Carrizo Springs. So if you're heading out on Tuesday evening, maybe a light jacket, but I don't think you'll need it until maybe 10 or 11 p.m. It's going to be 60s by then. I mean, we were probably looking at 70s through the 6 to 7 o'clock hour. You talk about bottled weather, this is it. When you say you want to order some weather, this would be what you order, okay, for any kind of outdoor activity. Overnight tonight, not as chilly. 54 Timberwood Park, maybe 51 at Bandera, maybe a 53 for Bernie, as opposed to this morning, which was downright cold. I mean, look at Kerrville. 40 degrees. That definitely means outside of Kerrville, I would say Mountain Home or some remote spots of Gillespie or Kendall County saw some upper 30s. There's no way that didn't happen. I mean, remember, even though the biggest urban heat island is going to be for San Antonio, even around the city and where they measure that temperature at Kerrville is going to be a degree or two warmer than some outlying areas of Kerr County. 47 at New Braunfels, a nice start, 52 at Gonzales. So the reason why we get that nice cooler air are these dew points that are staying in the comfortable to pleasant range. I mean, we're really not going to go up into where you feel humidity, and that's when dew points get in the 60s. And notice they go off the chart literally as we get into the weekend. We've got a next cold front coming in. Really won't be supported with anything in the upper levels. You know, all the action is going to be well to the north. Look at the size of that system. That's going to be a monster for the northeast, but we're staying in a very quiet pattern under high pressure and keeping everything well to the north. No big changes are coming soon. So KENS 5's exclusive 14-day forecast. We're going to look at Veterans Day, and we're also going to look at the next cold front. That's going to be coming in on the weekend. So I'll tell you this, you can see the warming trend. In fact, Friday the 7th, this could be near record highs. 88, that means we will see some 90s. Very unseasonal, but also near a record for San Antonio. Then as we get into the weekend is when we're going to see this cold front. Look at these winds waiting for us on Sunday, north to northeast, near 30 miles per hour. Veterans Day Tuesday. Beautiful day, 46 to a sunny 73. And then we'll start another warming trend as we get into 13th and 14th of November. We're going back into the mid 80s, but you see what's missing? We don't have a chance of rain in the next 14 days. Chance of traffic. Let's take a look. You know,